Is it working? Hi, you guys. Introducing your box of templates to you. Congratulations. Let's call it a tool, not a toy, okay? If you look at the cover here, it says 29 pieces, 6 puzzles, infinite possibilities. So you'll be able to use this forever and ever and ever, all right? Ages 3 to infinity. Means I've used these with 3-year-olds and I've used them with elderly. My mother, who was in her 80s, so that's pretty cool. If you look at this, it has 6 puzzles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 4 squares are purple. Then we've got the triangles, orange, red, yellow, and blue. Okay. On here, it has a recommendation. Supervision is recommended for kids under 5 years old. So, again, it's a tool, not a toy. Watch your little siblings as you're working with them. So I open up my box of templates, and you will see this. If you look at it, this is chalkboard friendly. You can write on it. However, it's thin. So if you want a thicker one, such as this, let me know and I can hook you up. All right? I think I can get you one of these for like $5. Take the tissue off and you have 6 rectangles. I know these are rectangles because it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, 4 corners. It's actually called a quadrilateral. Okay, I don't know. 2 long sides. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. This is a monochromatic series. Mono means 1, so it's 1 color, 2 different shades. Red on one side, light red, which is pink on the opposite. So we have our rectangles. Under the next tissue, you have your 4 squares. Squares have 4 sides, but they're all equal in length. The squares and the rectangles I like because they have right angles. These are all right angles, 90 degrees, which is really awesome. And then we have this, which is the yellow. If you look at the yellow, it has 2 right angles, which are 90 degrees. It has an acute angle, which is less than 90 degrees, and it has an obtuse angle. All in one shape. It's pretty awesome for learning. This is a cool kind of shape. It would make it kind of interesting to make some animals. Some kids think of this as like a body, and then this is the neck. So again, the torso. This is really a beautiful little gem. It's called a semicircle. So if I were to semi mean part, so if I draw this circle and then I flip it, I'll end up with a complete circle. If you use these 2 shapes together, you can draw a circle. Do you see that? See that? Pretty cool. This also is an arc. Arc, A-R-C, arc. This is an arc. And it also is the same as contour of a protractor. So we'll learn how to use a protractor and work with degrees. That is geometry. This is my favorite puzzle. If you look at my tattoo, it's blue because I love water, and this blue just reminds me of water. Again, and this is the monochromatic series, meaning light blue on one side and dark on the other. This is a curve, or an example of an arc. You can make some pretty cool designs with this, but it allows you to make unique shapes, not necessarily square and rectangular, but it gives you more options for cooler shapes. That's the blue one. The green is really awesome because it has triangles in it. It has 8 triangles. So 8 triangles create a square, because I'm going to show you how to put these away. Again, it's monochromatic, so it's one color, two different shades, dark green on one side and light green on the opposite. Okay, you got 8 of these to make your square. This actually is one right angle, which is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And then your acute angles to acute. This is called an isosceles triangle. And then you have your orange, which is cool because it has 4 pieces that are identical. We'll talk a little bit about how we're going to use these, but then it also has a circle. So if you want to draw a circle with accuracy and precision, this is what you're going to use. So now all of my puzzles are out on the table, and I want them back in my box because Miss Trace is going to say, clean up, let's go, clean up. The way you're going to clean them up is first sort by color. You're going to get all your orange ones and put them into the box. 1. The best record for cleaning up is 26 seconds. You can put a tissue on there if you want to keep them nice and clean. And then you take all your green ones and put all the green ones together. This might take a little bit longer because there's a little bit of thinking involved, but it's pretty cool. And then maybe I want to put my blue one away. And the order doesn't really make a difference, but what does make a difference is that they're all kept in the square according to color. So first sort by color and then put them into the box. Keep them safe. I should have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Put those back in nicely. I'm forgetting to put these back. And then your rectangles. So when the class is over, when our lesson is over, you should have all of your templates, tissues or no tissues. You can throw those away if you'd like. And the base, we'll call this the base, put on top. And you should, when class is over and I say clean up, it should look like this. All right. So your box of templates, nice job. Take care of them, and I look forward to working with you. All right, ciao.